In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Smartsheet subscription. If you need to stop your current plan, the process is usually straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the general steps so you can review your subscription carefully and complete the cancellation with confidence. Start by logging into your Smartsheet account through the official website. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one workspace or subscription. Once you're in, take a moment to confirm that you have the right level of access, because billing and subscription options are often only visible to account owners or admins. After you've logged in, go to your account settings or admin settings. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your plan type or account role, but you're looking for the area where administrative and payment-related controls are stored. This section is where Smartsheet typically keeps plan management options. Next, open the billing, plan, or subscription settings. Again, the label may be a little different depending on the version of the platform you're using, but the goal is the same. You want to reach the page that shows how your account is currently billed. Once you're there, review your current subscription details carefully. This is an important step because it helps you confirm what plan you're on, when your renewal date is, and whether any changes will take effect immediately or at the end of the current billing cycle. When you're ready, choose the option that says Cancel, Downgrade, or Manage Plan. In some cases, Smartsheet may place the cancellation option inside a plan management menu rather than showing it directly on the main billing page. Take your time here and read each prompt closely so you understand exactly what will happen to your account, features, and data access after the change. Once you select the cancellation option, confirm the cancellation request. Most platforms ask for one final confirmation to make sure the change is intentional. Be sure to read any on-screen notes about billing timing, account access, or plan expiration before submitting. After that, check your email for a confirmation message. This is your proof that the request was received and processed. If you don't see the email, look in your spam or promotions folder, and if needed, return to your account settings to verify that the subscription status has been updated. That's how to cancel your Smartsheet subscription quickly and clearly.